How to make Ragdoll in Roblox Studio. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to, of course, open our Roblox Studio right here and open your game. And then once you're now here, the next thing that we need to do is to go here on the left screen, which is under the toolbox. So in this part, what we're going to do on the search bar is to just search for RTO Ragdoll. Then once you do that, just click the enter button. And then you will see this RTO Ragdoll system. So all you have to do is to click on it, and then a warning will pop up right here. And then all you have to do is to just click the OK button. And then once it is now done, once it is added, the next thing that we need to do is to, of course, click the drop down button right here. And then you will see this ungroup in starter GUI. So what we're going to do is to just drag this one in the starter GUI and in this part. And then once you do that, of course, what we're going to do next is to right click on it and then click ungroup. Once you do that, as you can see, we now have this. So what we're going to do next is to test it. So just click the play button. And then in this part, if you click the letter R, as you can see, we have now added Ragdoll in our Roblox Studio. So that is basically it. That is how easy it is. That is how to make Ragdoll in Roblox Studio.